So, artificial intelligence, it's not some far-off sci-fi concept anymore, right? It's here, on the ground, and it's already changing the reality of physical security. The big question for you is, are you ready to lead that change, or are you going to be left playing catch-up? Well, this is your practical playbook for getting ahead of the curve.
You know, if you're looking at this whole AI wave and feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a little bit of unease, you are definitely not alone. This whole shift can be both energizing and unsettling. It's a massive change, and it's completely natural to feel that push and pull between the incredible possibilities and the uncertainty that comes with it.
So you're really at a crossroads here. You can either react to this new reality as it unfolds, or you can get out in front of it and actually shape it. The real question we're digging into is, how can you, as a physical security professional, take charge and lead this transformation?
All right, let's start with the here and now. This isn't about some hypothetical future. AI is being deployed in companies today, and what's expected from security is changing fast. The first step isn't looking 5 years down the road. It's about figuring out your game plan for today.
For decades, your job has been a constant balancing act, juggling safety, compliance, and just the messy reality of daily operations. That experience has rightly given you a healthy dose of skepticism for any shiny new tech that promises to solve everything. In a world rushing towards AI, you might think that caution holds you back, but you'd be wrong.
In fact, that risk-aware mindset is your secret weapon. The ability to ask tough questions, to see potential failure points, and to always prioritize safety, that is precisely what's needed to adopt AI responsibly. It's what separates a successful, secure implementation from one that just creates more problems than it solves. So where do you even begin? The good news is you don't need some massive, budget-breaking overhaul. The smartest approach is to be strategic, to follow a start small, win big kind of philosophy.
And let's be crystal clear about the initial goal here. Early AI adoption isn't about replacing people. It's about automating the routine, the repetitive, the mind-numbing work that, frankly, humans shouldn't have to be doing. This frees up your team to focus on the critical incidents and complex problems that actually require their unique judgment. So what does that look like in practice? Here are 3 perfect examples. Think about processes that are high volume, totally rule-based, and have a low tolerance for error, like managing badge life cycles or validating visitor access. Automating these provides quick, measurable wins. You reduce errors, save time, and build crucial momentum for your entire AI program.
Okay, once you've scored a few of those early wins, you've earned the credibility to take the next step. You can't just scale this powerful technology without a clear framework for how it's going to be used. It's time to build your AI rulebook.
This is where your healthy skepticism becomes a superpower. You need to establish your guardrails early. Ask the hard questions. Where is our data allowed to live? What sensitive information should AI never touch? And, maybe most critically, at what point does an AI recommendation require a human to sign off before any action is taken?
And this brings us to the single most important rule in your playbook. For any high-risk decision, you must keep a human in the loop. AI can be a powerful co-pilot. It can suggest, flag, and even handle low-risk tasks. But the final call on anything critical absolutely must stay with a person.
So why is this non-negotiable? Because it preserves accountability. When a human is in the loop, someone is always responsible, and that accountability is the very foundation of trust. People across your entire organization will embrace the technology when they see it's being implemented thoughtfully and that their expertise is still essential.
Now, thinking about AI as just a tool for your security team is thinking way too small. It's actually a bridge to the rest of the company. It's a powerful opportunity to break down old silos and create collaborations that benefit everyone. Think about it. Your work is already deeply connected to HR, IT, and legal. AI provides a common ground. Instead of talking in department-specific terms, you can all talk about improving efficiency, strengthening controls, and reducing risk. By launching joint AI initiatives, you can solve enterprise-wide problems, not just security problems.
And the data backs this up. When departments team up on AI projects, they see a much faster return on investment and a smoother adoption process. Trying to go it alone is slower and less effective. Simply put, collaboration is the accelerator.
We've covered strategy, governance, and collaboration, but none of it works without the final, most crucial element, your own skills. To truly lead in this new era, you need to invest in future-proofing yourself.
The focus of your role is shifting. Yesterday was about spending hours on manual monitoring and repetitive tasks. Tomorrow is all about higher-level strategic skills. learning to write effective AI prompts to get the information you need, interpreting complex data to spot trends, and designing the automated workflows that the AI will execute. These are the new essentials.
And this is the ultimate payoff. By investing in these skills today, you fundamentally change your role. You stop reacting to change and start shaping it. You become the expert who defines how this technology serves your organization's mission, ensuring it enhances security while empowering people. We've laid out the strategy, the guardrails, the collaborative approach, and the skills you need. You have the foundations of a powerful playbook. The only question left is, what's your first move?